Hey there, Greg Nieto in the Central Park section of Denver, actually here near a sledding hill. The point of that, of course, is to slip and slide, but the point of our story is the nearby surface streets in the city of Denver and how they're looking a day into this January storm. According to the Department of Transportation and Infrastructure, just some stats to throw at you. They say they actually had their residential plows or their drivers on duty as early as Tuesday at 3 p.m. They plan to have drivers working all the way through 3 a.m. Thursday morning, and then they'll reevaluate. As we tape this, the sun, some blue skies starting to come out just a little bit. But as for the surface streets, if you live in Denver, I guess you would be the best judge of how these streets look outside your front door. But behind us here, I mean, a little bit of slushy, but you can see some of the pavement here. I can tell you that I think the streets look a little bit better this month after this storm or during this storm than they did about the same time during that December storm.